Ever wonder how that perfect loaf of bread appears effortlessly from a machine? This video breaks down the magic of the automatic bread maker. Bread makers simplify the entire baking process, handling all the traditionally labor-intensive steps from start to finish. A typical bread maker consists of an outer casing, control panel, a baking pan with a kneading paddle, and a heating element. The bread maker follows a precise, pre-programmed cycle, carefully managing the timing for mixing, kneading, rising, and baking. The first step is gathering and measuring your ingredients. Accuracy is key here for a successful loaf. Ingredients are typically added to the bread pan in a specific order: wet ingredients first, followed by dry ingredients and yeast last. The control panel allows you to select the desired program, such as basic white bread, whole wheat, rapid bake, or even dough-only cycles. Once the program starts, the machine moves into its first major phase, combining and working the dough. The paddle at the bottom of the pan begins to rotate, thoroughly mixing all the wet and dry ingredients into a cohesive dough ball. The machine continues to knead the dough, which develops the gluten structure, essential for the bread's texture and elasticity. After the kneading is complete, the machine stops to allow the dough to rise, also known as proofing. A gentle heating element activates to maintain an optimal temperature, around 80 degrees Fahrenheit, which helps the yeast flourish and release gases. During this rest period, the dough dramatically increases in volume as the yeast produces carbon dioxide gas, creating those characteristic air pockets. Many bread recipes require a second rise for better flavor and structure. The bread maker manages this automatically. The paddle briefly rotates once more, deflating the dough to release excess gas and redistribute the yeast and nutrients. The dough then enters its final, shorter rise, ensuring it is ready for the intense heat of the baking stage. The final and most exciting stage is baking, where the bread maker truly earns its keep. The internal heating elements activate fully, reaching temperatures necessary to cook the dough, kill the yeast, and solidify the structure. This high heat caramelizes the sugars, creating the golden brown crust and giving the bread its final, delicious internal texture. And just like that, the bread maker beeps to signal your perfectly baked warm loaf is ready. After the cycle finishes, simply remove the bread pan, take out the loaf, and enjoy the aroma and taste of fresh, homemade bread. From specialty bread to dough for pizza or rolls, the bread maker makes baking accessible, consistent, and remarkably easy for everyone.